There's nothing like a relaxing bath. Eek, what's that?
Here, fishy, fish, fishy. Oh, hey, Sue. Nice day for some fishing, eh?
Sammy, what are you doing?
Well, I've always wanted a mermaid friend, so I thought I'd try and catch one. But I've not had one nibble.
There's no mermaids in there, but I know where to find one. Come on. If Sam wants a mermaid friend, then that's what he's gonna get. But first, I'm going to make a home for the mermaid. I want her to be nice and cozy. I was going to use a box, but where is it? Aha! It's heavier than I remember. That's strange.
Who dares to disturb me?
Sorry, Mr. Vampire, but I need this box for our mermaid.
Why didn't you say so? I'm going to get a snack. Oh, Roger.
Maybe have a sandwich instead? While Sam is eating, I'll make the box extra sticky. I want the box to look like the scales on a mermaid's tail, so I'll alternate the colors. It needs to shimmer and be magical. Whoa, look at it! It's even better than I imagined. But something's not quite right. Don't worry, I have a plan. I'll need this. We need a mermaid tail for our mermaid house, right? This house will definitely make a splash when I'm done. I wonder what Sam's doing. He's been so quiet.
Sue, I found a doll. She can become our mermaid.
Oh, wow! That's a great idea. But first, I need to finish the house. I want to add even more scales here. It will take a few more minutes.
Take your time. We'll be working on our tan.
Does slime tan? That's something I've never thought of. Whoa! This looks great! What do you think, Sam?
It does look great, Sue, and I don't. I think I overdid the tanning. I need some after sun.
The house is ready, so now we'll work on the interior design. I want her to feel right at home. Let's start with a table.
Hey, is that my secret shampoo?
Yep.
What can I say? I love the feeling of the wind in my hair. Get back here.
You better be quick, Sammy. That hair is airborne. You can never have enough sparkles, right? Oh, wee. You know, it's not exactly reminding me of the ocean. Let's add some food coloring for that aquatic feel.
Sue, I need to book a visit to the salon when we're done.
No problem, Sammy. We can arrange a pampering session together.
Wow, I feel like I'm by the ocean. It's wonderful. I need to tell the doll.
I'm sure she's going to love it. That's why we need to make it extra special. This is special mermaid dust. I'm just kidding. It's actually glitter, but I won't tell Sam that. I'm kind of jealous. I would love a table like this for myself.
What? So it's a table? Cool. But our mermaid will need somewhere to sleep too. Something like a seabed.
Sammy, come see this. I found this cool-looking shell, and here's what I found inside.
Whoa! Maybe there's a pearl in there. I can make a pretty necklace.
Easy, Tiger. The jewelry will have to wait. This will make a great bed for our mermaid. We'll also need blankets and pillows for the bed, and I know just what to do. You can never go wrong with some slime, right?
I've been telling you that for years, Sue. Slime makes everything better.
That's true. Some glitter, of course. This will be a cozy blanket, but we need to seal it first. We don't want the slime seeping out while our mermaid is having her beauty sleep, right? So, here's parchment paper. We can use a glue gun or anything else that's hot to do this. Just remember to be careful. Wow, this is making me feel nice and relaxed.
Sue, this isn't a squishy craft. It's a mermaid one.
Oops, sorry, Sam. It just felt so good. There we go.
I think our doll is getting sleepy already. She needs to rest before her big transformation.
Okay, let's make her comfortable. Sweet dreams.
That looks like a good idea. All this crafting is making me sleepy.
This gold string will add a little glamour to our mermaid's house. I think I can use it here too. This will make a great mirror, but it won't be a regular mirror. This one will have some mermaid glamour.
I need a little glamour too.
What are you doing over there, Sammy?
I always wanted to design jewelry, Sue, and that's what I'm going to do.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I can't wait to see what you will create. These shells are giving an underwater vibe to the mirror. Agree?
Well, that's what I've got. How do I look, Sue?
Take a look at yourself. I made a mirror for the mermaid house.
Wow, that's amazing. And the mirror isn't so bad either.
Why, thank you. You're always so humble, Sammy. There.
I could make a necklace for you, too. We could be jewelry twins.
The house is ready, so it's time to transform our doll into a beautiful mermaid. This is the moment Sam's been waiting for.
It sure is, Sue. It's going to be amazing. I want to capture every step. Oh, yeah, that's it. Camera loves you. You're a natural.
Wow, really? That's so sweet of you.
Nice. Huh? Did you say something, Sue?
It's so chic and stylish, but there's not enough sparkle. This beats a dress any day. I mean, just look at it.
It's wonderful. It's better than I ever imagined, Susie.
I'm glad you like it, Sammy.
But speaking as the fashionable one in our duo, the mermaid will need a top. This is a family show after all.
You're right, Sammy. Thanks for reminding me. That could have been embarrassing. I better ask our resident fashionista about this outfit. What do you think, Maestro?
So chic and stylish, but there's not enough sparkle.
You really have an eye for it.
Yeah, that's just what Coco Chanel told me.
Our mermaid will be so happy with this tail. Let's show it to her.
Are you ready for the big reveal? You're going to love this.
Surprise! I hope you like it. Let's try it on. You look like you're nice and cozy.
Wow, it's so beautiful. You were born to be a mermaid.
Maybe our mermaid would like a little friend to remind her of the ocean while she's on the land.
It'll be an aquatic amigo. Awesome. Wait up. Hey, stop that seahorse. I need to take his photo.
Uh-oh, I think you should be careful, Sammy. It's okay, little seahorse. I got you.
Sorry, Sue. I tried to explain to him, but he was too scared.
That's okay, Sammy. You tried your best. This seahorse will make the perfect pet for our mermaid. There you go. Now our mermaid will never be lonely. Well, I think we did a great job here.
Something's off. She's not quite a mermaid yet.
She's got a tail, a cozy mermaid home, and a seahorse friend. What did we miss, Sammy? Oh, the hair! We need long, flowing, beautiful hair.
Correct. She's not a mermaid until her hair is perfect.
So, what can we do?
Don't you worry. This is my time to shine.
If you say so.
I'm gonna give you a Sam special. A little snip here. A big cut over there. Sue, where's the razor?
No, let's just use the scissors. Our mermaid won't suit a bald look.
Well, all right. Just give me a second. There, that should do it. A bit more. Okay, have a look.
Wow, she looks amazing. You should style my hair someday, Sammy.
Nah, I don't think so. I specialize in mermaids only.
Well, now you've got your mermaid friend.
Yes, and I've never been happier, Sue. We'll have so many adventures together. This is the life. Sun, sea, and slime. It doesn't get better than this. Oh, I know. Let's play beach volleyball. Ouch. No, let's better do something less painful. Let me think. We could... Ouch. What? Pretty stars. Ugh.
Sammy? Hello? Are you okay? Snap out of it. We have to finish the episode.
Give me a second, Sue.
What a day. It's time to relax. And boy, do I need it. Sam, what are you doing again?
Sorry, Sue, but this is important. I read a book called Moby Dick. It's all about a white whale, and I'm going to find it.
Oh, I hope you can do that without me.
I hope you like this color. It makes your eyes pop. My best makeover. Wanted some freckles? I'll give you freckles. Huh? They're coming. Uh-oh.
Sammy, hurry! Barbie's been waiting for ages.
I'm right here and ready to play with Barbie.
Awesome. Then we can... Oh no! What's happened?
Barbie, I can't believe my eyes. Who did it to you? Your dress is ruined. And wait, are those stickers in your hair? Oh no! What kind of evil makeover is this?
Wait a second.
I see they liked my surprise.
Thought so, but I have a plan. Don't worry, Sammy. We'll fix everything.
Yippee!
Well, my dear, ready for the real makeover? First of all, let's get rid of this dress. It's ruined, and we can't save it. No need to be sad. Your new outfit will slay. I don't think these stickers will fit your new vibe, so let me just remove them. One more here. Whoa! Why do you have so many on your legs? They look kinda cute. That's true, but they're not fancy enough for a princess. You even have some in your hair. Bad idea. Much better. Now let's wash your pretty face.
It was somewhere here. I know it for sure.
What are you looking for?
Do you really need to ask? My magic wand, of course. It'll help us do the cleaning.
Seriously? A magic wand? This is what will help us. Let's get down to work. Some toothpaste. Ready, steady, go! You literally glow. That's how clean you're gonna be. Just a little bit more. Ta-da! Much better. You are such a beauty.
I found it! This note will help us nail the makeover.
Great! What does it say?
After washing her face, we gotta bathe Barbie.
Got it! It's bathing time. Good thing I have this pretty bathtub. And it's pink. Next, I'll add some warm water.
Are you sure the water temperature's okay? We can't risk it.
Don't worry, Sammy. I've checked it twice.
Yeah, the water is very nice. So relaxing.
Good to hear. Then let's add some water. You know, warm water relaxes your muscles and calms your body.
Cindy, we almost forgot the main ingredient. Fragrant bath foam.
Oh, right.
The more bubbles, the better. Whoops. Oh no, it's a disaster!
Wow, never seen so much foam. Sammy, Barbie, it's so pretty and fun to play with. Hold up, Barbie! Hold on, I'll save you. Come on, where are you? Aha, gotcha! I'm so glad you're okay, Barbie. Just look at you, you're squeaky clean. All is well that ends well.
Achoo!
Whoops, I forgot about Sammy.
Yes, I'm right here. Thanks for saving me, Cindy. Let's see. Sorry to say, but your hair does not look good. Can we save it, Cindy?
I'm not sure. I think we'll figure it out after we dry it. Okay, now that your hair is dry, let's try to style it.
Make sure you do your best. Barbie gotta shine.
I know what I'm doing, Sammy. Ta-da! What do you think?
Cindy, what is it? Cindy, this is legit hilarious.
Do you think it's easy or what?
Cindy, watch and learn. Aha, nice. Oh, one more strand. It'll go here. Voila, amazing, right? Because I'm a pro.
Sammy, are you pranking me? It's horrible. I want new hair. Master Sammy, let me fix everything. Honestly, the easiest way is just to cut it. Just a bit more on the right. Almost there. Snip, snip. I don't think we gotta keep it.
Cindy, here it is.
Thanks. That's just what we need. Works even better than I thought. I don't think blue will really level up your look.
Cindy, look at how this color matches my skin tone.
Right, and it matches my hair too. But this is Barbie's new hair. I bet she'll look great.
By the way, Cindy, what if we... Holy cannoli! She looks amazing! And her hair is so shiny!
Yeah, this long hair is part of her princess hairstyle.
Huh? She's gonna have her hair done?
Exactly. I've got an awesome hairstyle idea. I'm gonna start with 2 small braids. I think we should jazz them up with these cute hair clips.
Cindy, I've been wondering, what's inside this case? It looks so mysterious. There must be something cool inside. 3, 2...
You are too curious for your own good, Sammy.
Cindy, look! I've repaired Barbie's old dress. Can we use it again?
Seriously? Do you think this is a princessy dress? I've got a better idea. All it needs is a quick restyle. Some tweaking, and it will look perfect. I'll make these tiny cutouts for the arms. Oh, come on, it's the right side. Why wouldn't it fit?
A balloon dress. Yep, everything's correct. Keep going.
I've got an idea to make this look even cooler. Aw, I knew I'd make the dress even cuter. Now all you need is a fluffy skirt.
Whoa, Barbie looks like a fairy princess.
I did my best.
But Cindy, where are her shoes?
Uh-oh. I forgot about shoes, but that's not a problem. We'll make the prettiest sparkly little shoes for our Barbie. Check her out! She's looking so stylish, and the shoes are fire! We are almost done here. Just gotta add some accessories. A sparkly necklace. A pretty bracelet. And the star of the show, fairy wings.
Cindy, will you reveal your secret now? What's in this case?
Sure, Sammy. It's showtime! Ta-da! It is my favorite creative kit. We'll definitely need it today. Look at all these colors.
Wow! It's the most wonderful, the brightest creative kit I've ever seen. Am I dreaming?
You are not, Sammy. Let me prove it. We'll make your eyes even more expressive. Some glitter on your lips will make you look magical. Can't skip the nails. Here's a fairy princess. I've been dreaming of playing with her for so long. Ooh, she can fly too.
Wow! I want to fly like a fairy princess too! Woohoo! And I can! I'm a fairy too! Woohoo!
Did you like our makeover, guys? Then give this video a like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye, friends! See you soon! Gotta fly now!